I have already mentioned, and the challenge is to tackle some difficult problems by finding out open problems and by resolving some problems. And also, of course, we encounter some serious problems on research resources. For instance, the most important thing is electronic journal problem. And in order to get some academic resources, I recommend to get the international research collaboration. And actually, I'd like to suggest to join some research community in the worldwide level. And by doing that, and you will maybe access high quality papers, and actually, as a result, you can publish good papers.